Don't you love it madly when it sleeps in your basement on some gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today shit? And don't you love the way that you can relate to everything your favorite rapper has to say about your hatred? Get a hobby. Now why they wanna watch me in some hotel lobby getting sloppy with this pillow built mommy? Probably never be global like Tupac, but the local boys will keep my shit hard in their jukebox. Sitting here pretending I'm not tipsy, watching oversensitive hippies use my records for their dog frisbees. Be a good little fishy and book me a ticket to your city so your girlfriend to kiss me. I'm the bee that came to pollinate the flower, make a meal, borrow a towel, and take a shower. It's called love. In return they bake bread, pay dollars, make beds, catch buzz, give head. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. The rich kids burn it, my broke people dug it. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. The snakes always wanna put your name where their tongues. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. Give hugs to the public, put plugs in the budget. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. But they know who to call when they want the party jumping. Bust into your system, search through the evidence, open and hoping to find why you love your residents. Put your fists up, or put your chips up. Advocate, act adult to get your fabric ripped up. They said like what? Like they didn't know me. 6'3", ugly mug and a simple flow. Like that, and a bottle of Jimmy Beam. Peace, my name is Slug and I'm down with the winning team. They wanna kill my steam, I didn't care. Just lead me to the Phoebe with the pretty hair, jumping up and down with the passion of a battle. Jester of the kingdom, see me macking at the castle. Sean is such an asshole. Nah, I'm a dickhead, stealing cigarettes from the rest of the misled. Enjoy me, avoid me, do what you must do, but man up and understand why they don't love. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. The rich kids burn it, my broke people dug it. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. The snakes always wanna put your name where their tongues. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. Give hugs to the public, put plugs in the budget. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. But they know who to call when they want the party jumping. Looking through your pinhole, who you gonna insult? Atmosphere got up in here, yeah, where'd your grin go? Got a sock full of nickels and quarters for unsupportive cocksmokers that wanna ripple these waters. You hate to love it, keep changing up the subject, still ain't saying nothing. We knew that you would jump ship. Get back inside your magic pumpkin, you puppet, cause all you got left in your life is a big what if. No names, this pertains to a flock of you. The fuck you gonna do when no one's watching you? Sweep up the fuck up, tighten up the lug nuts, let your world turn with no concern for what Slug does. I'm not number one, I'm just my mother's son. No regret, show respect, what's done is done. I understand why you're so discouraged. Now show your love like it was when you was this earnest. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. The rich kids burn it, my broke people dug it. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. The snakes always wanna put your name where their tongues. They call it love, and I get plenty of it. Give hugs to the public, put plugs in the budget. They call it hate, and I get plenty of it. But they know who to call when they want the party jumping.
What you gonna do today? Hey, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? Yo, what you gonna do today? Make moves while I pay dues. Cruising the lane far left of the lane dudes. Rest when I catch my breath. Feeling like the last one left. Like what you gonna do today? Same thing that I did for the last 2,000 to 3,000 studying the math. A lot less time and a lot more class when they talk that trash. Yeah, and it makes us laugh. Should've say hi when I ride by past. Doing all the shit that I dreamt in class, and I might just brag, but I'm not that brash. When it can go flash, I don't pose when I rock. Go close in a rack, interact with a wide spectrum of cats, and I'm packing the back in the back of my Honda Civic, cause I don't gotta laugh. Said, what you gonna do today? Make money, y'all. What you gonna do today? Spend money, y'all. What you gonna do today? Raise kids, y'all. What you gonna do today? Write raps, y'all. What you gonna do today? I'ma go back to the cinema for show. Catch this show with a pass that I got from a bro of a scarecrow video. Really though, what you gonna do today? I don't know, depends. If I'm home or another time zone, gotta get your mind blown if you catching our songs, cause they got more bars at the shows and it's still no dough. Cats wanna get it for the quid pro quo, like a bro not grown. No, it's more than repping your area code. Wary of various foes, rock out with my hairy exposed. Where my chariot go? Waiting for it to carry me home and I'm in the zone. Hey, what you gonna do today? Blow trees, y'all. What you gonna do today? No sleep, y'all. What you gonna do today? Cook dinner, y'all. Now what you gonna drink with that? Pellegrino, y'all. What you gonna do today? Fix my car, y'all. What you gonna do today? Go far, y'all. What you gonna do today? New shit, y'all. What you gonna do today? Fine shit, y'all. Said, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today?
Yeah, let me take y'all back. I had the people saying na 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 na. Yeah, Luke Christopher. Observe, I was born on Noble back when niggas had to run away quick. See, old folks never like when young ass kids be shooting hoops down by the driveway. And if I hit the ball over the wall, I'd have to go and take the sideway. I say, I may have raised some hell in my schools, fighting in lines and trying to stay cool like Urkel on the wall, like murals in my hoodie and my Air Force One pair more. Though I was not a scholar, I could make the ladies holler. Started spitting from the heart when they were spitting from the wallet, talking about how they forever kings, yeah right, forever, never long as it you seen, yeah right. I used to tell stories at the park on the playground, and after dark, if ever the cops would come, we'd have to stay down. So my nigga Adrian, they heard you lay down, I'ma hit the hill and flip the bird on the way down. See, that was how we roll, that was how we roll. We were never hood, but we had a lot of soul. So anytime I'm back at home doing a show, yo, I had that motherfucker bouncing like a pogo. Yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. I was wearing them off-white chucks with the floor printed pants with only 15 bucks. We took a cab to the dance and hopped out with the baddest chicks in the room. Heard the teacher saying, man, I'm glad they graduate soon. Yes, and on the nights when we were hurting for real, we dropped through Beverly Hills just to see how it feels. If the weather was cold, we would hit up a show. Try to sneak into the back so I could spit on my flow. If we was late, we rode our bikes after the bus. We were the legends of the summer. There's a chapter for us in a book somewhere. Yeah, somewhere pretty in an old library, a forgotten city, man. Life is the fastest. Ain't nobody tell you about the life of a rapper. It's all money and gold, cars and hoes, but diamonds don't shine in the dark. Ergo, we saying this, ha. So get your hands high. Diamonds don't shine in the dark, ergo we saying this, ha. So get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Call up the homies, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like, yeah, so get your hands high if you in the mood for a hell of a time. Drive to the store, get a bottle of wine, and I'll supply you with the hell of a rhyme. Like